Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TCL 30 SE smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. If we'll call up for the keyboard, you will see that there is no separate number row on top of the characters, so in order to access the numbers we gotta press this number button and go to the numbers and signs sections. So let's go ahead and activate the separate number row. In order to do that you gotta go for the keyboard settings, so let's open up the settings. Here at the settings, scroll down until you stumble upon the system category. At the system category, go for the languages and input. Here, choose the virtual keyboard. And from this list, you gotta choose the keyboard that is currently set. In my case, and by default, it's going to be the Gboard. At the Gboard settings menu, go for the preferences, and all that's left to do is to turn on the number row switch. And that will mean that the separate number row is successfully activated, as you can see right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!